Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to join Google Classroom on phone. So, to join a class, visit classroom.google.com or open the app on your mobile device. Now, select the account you use for the classroom. So, if you need to switch account, then click switch accounts before you try to join a class. Now, to join the class, press the plus sign and select Join Class. You can join a class with a class link. Your teacher sends you the link, usually over the email or messenger like WhatsApp. Or you can enter the code your teacher sends or tell you the class code, usually over email or a messenger also like WhatsApp. So, I was sent by a link a while ago through Messenger app. So, just input the class code. And just press join. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!